Welcome back, friends, to a special edition of Leisure Cooking at Home with Barry. In this episode, I want to introduce you to some signature seasonings that I've created for my dry rubs, for my seasonings in general, and just everyday use. Over the past few months, I've had several people comment about the dry rubs that I use. So here's what I've created. I have a rub that's flavored with apple smoked sea salt, one that's flavored with cherry smoked sea salt, and I also have a rub that's flavored with hickory smoked sea salt. And even though I use the smoked sea salts for a base seasoning, I also use other herbs and seasonings to help bring out that flavor throughout all of the mixtures that I use. So what do I use the seasonings for? Well, for the most part, I use it as a dry rub on my ribs or brisket or any type of smoking that I'm going to do or any type of meat that I'm going to be smoking. And I usually use a generous amount to coat the meat that I'm smoking. In this case, a slab of ribs. I usually make sure that I coat the whole slab of rib with the seasonings on top and on the sides. You can also use the seasonings on steaks. Here I'm using the seasonings on a tomahawk steak that I grilled, but you can also use the seasonings on chicken, fish, pork, and even on vegetables. The seasonings come in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large, and we can even accommodate extra large bottles as well. Well, if you're interested in trying some of my signature rubs, just email me at bees.things44, that's bees.things44 @gmail.com. And also remember to comment below and give a thumbs up if you like the idea of the seasonings, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, please share with your family and friends to ensure that the good word gets around to everyone who's interested. Well, that's it for this special edition of Leisure Cooking at Home with Barry. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to hear from you soon.